up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hi, my name is Janine. I upload new videos every Monday and vlog style videos on Thursdays. And welcome to today's episode of Youtuber. If this is your first Youtuber video that you are watching, it's basically Vlogmas that is October edition. And I started doing this a couple years ago where you put up a new video every single day for the month of October. But I can't even imagine trying to do 31 videos in a row with my work schedule. I would have had to start filming like 2 months ago. So I am just doing 2 videos a week on Monday and Thursday. And for today's video, I wanted to do a Fab Fit Fun unboxing. Here's the box. I would show you the top, but it has a sticker on it with my address. So we're not going to do that. But this is what the box looks like. It is very, very fall and cute. I'm so excited to open it and see what is in it. Now, before I get started, I want to make sure I say this before I forget. I do have a code down below that gets you a free mini box with your first, once you sign up. I did that the first time I signed up. I used someone else's link, and one of these boxes is $50, I believe, but you get a free mini box that will just have 3 or 4 items in it, I think. And it's a really good deal because, why not? Especially if you were already thinking of getting Fab Fit Fun. If you sign up through the link, you'll get just extra stuff for free. So it comes with a little magazine in it. And then this is what it looks like. What is in here? So we've got this. I think this is going to be a travel water bottle. This is so cute. It's got a little cover on it. Oh, I'm gonna love this. Does this come off? It's a glass, it's like a mason jar with a little cover on it. This is adorable. I am so excited to use this. I should have totally brought my recycling bag near me. Oh wait, I think there's usually a card that says how much things cost in here. Let me see. Oh, it's in the little magazine. Here we go. So, the Mason Tops glass water bottle was $35. And this box is only $50. It's like $49.99. I'm just saying. So, the next thing we have in here is the pumpkin spice room spray. This is gonna be so good. This is such a cute little bottle too. And I just decorated my room for fall. This is literally going to be perfect. Let's smell it and see if it smells good. Oh wow, that smells so good. I am so excited for this. And the Stone Candles room spray and pumpkin spice is $36. Wow. Oh, also, this is a $80 off coupon for your first box of HelloFresh. I actually have already signed up for HelloFresh. I used another YouTuber's code, but if you would like to get $80 off and you want this code, then just comment down below letting me know your favorite thing to do in the fall, and I will just text you a picture of what the code is and you can use it because I'm not going to use it and don't want it to go to waste. You also get a $15 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. So it'd be $34.99 with this code. So then comment down below your favorite Halloween movie. You can have this and get $15 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. Ooh, and I have been wanting to try Bright Sellers, so I'm going to be keeping this one for myself. Next thing in the box is the Dr. Dennis Gross Beta Alpha Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. Ooh, I love serums. They're the only skincare that I can actually keep up with. This is a really cute bottle too for morning and night. I feel no, I'm kidding. But now this, how much does this cost? This is a $65 serum. $65. Okay. Well, I'm very excited to try this out and see if it's worth $65. Which, honestly, I've been noticing a lot of blackheads recently. So I will really put this up to the test. Next thing we've got in here is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil. Illuminating milk for face and body. I don't know what any of that means. It's like a little milk carton. Interesting. How do you open it? I was trying to open it like an actual milk jug. That's not how you open it. You open it from the bottom. Oh, it's like a highlighter. Interesting. It's like a body highlighter. I usually don't use these in the fall. I feel like this would be a better item for the summer. But honestly, it's still pretty warm outside, so I might get some use out of it. I'll make sure to update you guys in vlog. And that cost $19.50. So not too bad of a price. Oh, I love these things. I got this in, I think, the spring box. It's like a little loofah. And it comes pre-soaked in soap. And then you rub, it's a body wash infused buffer. And so it's kind of rough, so it'll exfoliate your skin as you go. Which is perfect timing because I'm almost out of my soap. Oh, that smells so good. Where's the little thingy? How much does it cost? Well, I'm not seeing it on here for how much it costs. I think it was like $10 or $15 if I'm remembering correctly. I could be completely wrong, honestly. And the next thing in here, I think this is the backpack. I saw this. Whenever you get Fab Fit Fun, you can go in beforehand and pick out a couple of items that you for sure want. And I picked this backpack. This is so cute because I feel like this would be way more comfortable to wear than wearing a purse. Plus it's black and my current purse I have is white, and I feel like this would be way better for the fall time. And it's got the two little zippers in the front and buttons, the main pocket, and there's a little zipper pocket on the inside. This is so cute. I'm very excited for this. And how much is that? Botker, I could totally be pronouncing that wrong, but a Botker New York Trigger backpack, $100. Honestly, that does not feel like a $100 backpack, like just how it feels. But I do like, there's detailing on here. There's like the little logo on the back. Would I pay $100 for this backpack? Absolutely not. But the fact that this backpack cost $100 and I got it in a box that cost me $49.99, you do the math. That's all I'm saying. What's these? Are these sunglasses? Honestly, I still haven't worn the sunglasses that I got in the summer one. I have them in my car, but I always forget that I have them. Oh my god, these are the blue light glasses. These are the blue light glasses. I've been wanting to get new blue light glasses for like ever. These are so cute. I'm so sorry that you guys are having to deal with that lighting like I have in front of me. I should not be that close, so now you can see how my foundation does not match my neck. But look at these glasses. They are so cute. I'm gonna wear these all the time. Done. Done. These are my glasses, even though I need prescription glasses. But these are so... oh, no, I shouldn't wear them right now because of the reflection. But these... oh, favorite thing out of the box. Favorite thing. Hands down. I'm going to put them back in a little bag to protect them. How much are those? Oh, they're from Nectar. So these are $45 blue light glasses. And we've got our last thing. This is the NCLA Los Angeles Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. There's cuticle oil for your little fingers, which this will come in handy if I ever start getting my nails done again. I used to get my nails done like once every other month, not very regularly, but I have not gotten them done in a while, so... And this is $18. Oh, I didn't even show it. Good job. Way to be a guru. But then this little bottle is $18. Where's my phone? I want to do a little calculation. I was just on... It's right here. Good job. Good job. Let's calculate how much all of this added up to be. So the water bottle was $35 plus the cuticle oil, $18.
Plus the highlighter, plus the room spray, plus the serum, plus the backpack, and the blue light glasses. I almost like sunglasses. Those are not sunglasses.
$333.50 is how much was in this box. Not counting, you also get like $15 off, $80 off HelloFresh, and like all those little coupon thingies. The stuff and the products in the box alone, $333.50 for a $50 box. Honestly, I should be getting paid for this. I never even mentioned the fact that, like, no, this video is not sponsored. I pay for this box myself. I get it every season. Not sponsored. But that's so crazy. I'm so excited about all of these products. I really want to go put on those glasses right now. Not gonna lie, because I am sitting in front of LEDs. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like if you did, comment down below letting me know, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, put on notification bell so you know, put on notification bell, click the notification bell so you know when I upload, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!